As a detailer or mobile tech, you're juggling a lot of different things. Washing, waxing, ceramic coating, vacuuming, interior repair, just to name a few. So the idea of adding more services can be a little intimidating. I mean, sure, you'd love to make more money, but not at the expense of your core business. And you certainly don't want to have to go out and look for new customers for new services. But what if you could add $75 to $125 to roughly 35% of all your jobs with only around 5 minutes of your concentrated attention working with customers that you already have? As advanced technology has reached the windshields of most modern cars, the value of rock chip repair has increased to its highest level ever. And the technology that GlasWeld has developed for tools and methods for rock chip repair have reached a point that the process is incredibly easy. In fact, GlasWeld's rock chip repair tools do most of the work for you. Let me show you how quick and easy it can be to add several $100s a day to your invoice value. Now first, it's important to note that 30 to 40% of all the cars on the road already have some form of rock chip damage. So the first step is just to start looking at the car's windshields on the jobs that you have. When you find a chip, let your customer know that you can take care of it for them while you clean their car and give them your price, usually $75 to $125. They should almost always say yes. Remember, your customer's already paying $200 to $300 or more to get their car cleaned instead of taking it to the local car wash for 14 bucks. They want what's best, and they're gonna see the value of this extra service. Now, once you get the customer's go-ahead, the process of getting the repair started only takes a minute or two. Then you can just focus on your main services. So here we have a vehicle ready for detailing. We have the customer's approval. So let's get started on this repair. So the first step, we'll just take our probe and remove any loose glass right in the impact point of that repair. Then take our tripod stand, set it up directly over the impact point, push the suction cups down against the glass. Take our zoom injector. We're going to load about 4 to 6 drops of our windshield repair resin. So we just drop that right in the tip here. We'll put our seal back in. Bring the resin up to the surface of the seal, right there. Load it into the tripod. Make sure it's centered over the glass. One click to get a positive seal. And then we'll put our UV blocker right over the top of that, which will block all the UV light. And then we'll just thread this all the way back until it stops to pull our vacuum. So now that we have everything set up, we can just walk away and get started on our main work of washing or vacuuming this car. Now we can leave it on this cycle for as little as just a few minutes, or really as long as we want. Now when I have a quick second between some of my other tasks, I would simply come over here and we'll take this zoom injector handle and reverse it until the resin starts to flow. So just thread it down until we see the seal swell up. Now the resin is flowing. Now, at this point, we can do the same thing as we did previously. We can walk away, continue working on the vehicle. We can leave this for as little as 30 seconds or a couple of minutes, or we could leave it for several minutes, no problem either way. So now as I progress with my work of detailing and washing this car, or vacuuming, when I have just a few seconds, I can pop over here and check out the repair again. And basically all I need to do is come over here and look at the mirror and see how the repair is progressing. Now at this point, you can pull out your little multi-tool and look at your repair, maybe use this tool to help finish off any areas of the repair that need a little extra assistance. Now this will take me about another 30 seconds or so. Okay, our windshield repair looks great, so we're just going to remove the UV blocker, keep the zoom injector in place, and put our curing light directly over the injector. Press the button once. This will start a 30-second curing time, and we'll just let the light do its work. So our windshield repair is now complete, so we'll go ahead and remove the curing light, put it in our kit, and then we'll remove the zoom injector, put it away as well as the tripod stand. And now we'll just grab 1 drop of pit filler. Now this is a thicker resin. We'll put 1 drop right here over the impact point. And then lay a film tab right over the surface. Then bring our curing light back out again, press the button, and this time it'll only take about 15 seconds to fully harden this pit fill resin. So our pit fill cure is complete. Go ahead and pull the curing light off, take the film tab off, scrape the surface. Now I'll just use 1 drop of pit polish. Put a little bit of polish right here on the surface. And then we'll use our little multi-tool to polish this surface up. So as you just saw, I spent about a minute to get that rock chip repair started, a few seconds in between the vacuum and injection cycles, and about 2 minutes at the end of the repair. So all in all, that took about 5 minutes of concentrated effort, and I've added between $75 and $125 to my invoice. Now, if I can do that several times a week, I've added hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to my income without much effort and without having to find new customers. Here at GlasWeld, we have spent countless hours developing the world's best tools, methods, and supplies to make doing the highest quality rock chip repair work easier and faster than ever. Unlike traditional rock chip repair tools, these tools use smart technology to eliminate potential problems and to take the guesswork out. Our tools work for you, so you can focus on your main business and on just making more money. Give us a call today to talk about adding rock chip repair to your detailing or mobile tech business.